Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. This video is all about a practical example of how to write two nested loops or two for loops for an example. Okay, let's get into the demo. In my previous video, I explained about what is nested loop and how to write it. Let's get into our hands dirty, like how to write a code by using the nested loops. I have an example, like I want to print the values, like if I given the list of numbers in the list, from based on the numbers I need to print, like for example I'm just declaring a variable like numbers equal to, I'm just giving the numbers like 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, some random numbers I'm giving. Now based on this number I need to print the asterisk like this, like 5 means it should print like 5, and then 2 means 2 asterisk, 5 like this I need to print it, and 3 means 3, and again 5 asterisk like this you need to print over here. So with the help of nested loop we need to achieve this. Let's see how to do that one. Just remove this piece of code. What I have to do is, like I will be using a for loop for the number loop variable in numbers, and the colon is the syntax. There is another way also we can do that by simply, for example, the print of the asterisk, right? So I'm just printing it with the asterisk and into number. So if I execute this one, means it will print the output whatever I expected. Let's see here. See, it is getting printed. But I want to explain you about like how the nested loop will work. So for that, what I can do is, like I'm just removing this one. We'll go with the nested loop process. Okay. Here what I have to do is, like I need to declare a variable with output equal to, just making the empty string over here, and then I make use of another in outer loop or inner loop. I can say make it as count in, and just make use of range functionality, range the number. Okay, and the syntax over here, and what I'm doing is, like I'm just making the value output equal to output plus asterisk. That's it. And once it is done, I'm just printing this value, print of output. We'll try to execute this one. Let's see what is happening. See here, it's printing over here the expected output. Let's see what is happening. In the for loop, it will iterate each value like 5, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5. So the very first iteration, the 5 will be there, and by using the range functionality, inbuilt function, the number with 5 means it will again, this inner loop will have the values like 0 to 4. So it will take the value of each iteration, like 0 means it will concatenate the item like first one asterisk, and then it will iterate for each numbers in the count variable, loop variable, like it will have like 0 to 4 for, so it will concatenate each numbers. For 5 means it will be concatenating with the 5 asterisk. Again the number 2 means it will have 2 asterisks. Similarly it will be doing like this. Here instead of like this assignment, we can make use of augmented assignment operator. Like I will be just removing this output over here. I am making use of this one in shorter form. Now let's try to run this code. See, the same thing will be executed. So in this example I explained about how the nested loop will work, like how these two loops will work and how this is getting executed and all. So if you have any doubts on implementing this, kindly add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you all.